Hello, my name is Mario Ernesto Bautista Luzardo. The activity is for the course of Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. Step 4 Understand IT Negotiation, delivered by Mario Ernesto Bautista Luzardo, tutor Danilo Cárdenas Elazo, grupo 212 032 124. Problem related to the protection EP. The Greats value that the laws have at the project EP right is fundamental and it found appropriate to defend private rights. In some cases, the proper recourse is strong to the courts. The problem that when the violation of the laws is so common and harmful that business are the great risk of collapsing. People who do not appreciate the damage caused by fake seeds or who by clip it the EP problem related to value technology. Technology has solved problems where human power every by problem the digital technology helps solve. Thousands of smaller problems are eliminated every day without warning. The best gift the technology has given the business world while drastic increase in productivity allows us to complete tasks to the historical rough days in more moments. Problem to relate to negotiation. It's not difficult to imagine the use of technology in commerce. It becomes impersonal as people communicate on the phone for business purposes, leading to several face-to-face meetings during which their laptop are open and their smartphone are not at the table. Between meetings, negotiation email each other when logistics make meeting in personal difficult. Now, recommendations. Once the care and responsibility of the intellectual property have been observed, the laws and goals will be established. A shame is happy in which physical and intellectual property are protected in the same way. In this development mode, the intangible assets are patents, commercial rights, and technology. Thank you for watching my video. Good night.